Okay, awesome. So today in this video, we're going to learn all about how to do our list description. So in our last couple of videos, when we were doing unordered list and ordered list, it was pretty simple because we know that we had bullet points for our unordered list and where we had numbers for our ordered list. But what if, let's say we have a product on our list. Let's say we want to know, let's say garlic butter. Well, obviously we know what garlic butter is. But sometimes it can be useful to have a small, short little description describing what the actual product is. What the cool thing about HTML is it actually supports description lists. So let's see how to do it. We're going to start off with the DL, which, as you can see here, is an element. And what this does is it just defines our whole description list. So we're going to start off here and think of DL as an OL. OL sort of defines our whole unordered list. So DL is going to define our whole description list. And then after DL, we can do some indentation. And then we can start off with a DT. DT, think of it as your defining term. So what do I want to describe? So yeah, you can see here, it shows defines the actual term that you're going to be putting onto your list. So let's say, I'm going to say a cappuccino. Cappuccino. I think I spelled that wrong, but that's fine. And then after cappuccino, now, many people don't know what a cappuccino is, so we can go ahead and we can do DD. DD, you can also see here, is the element, and what this does is it just describes the description of our DT. So this is going to describe what our cappuccino is. Now, I don't actually know what a cappuccino is, but I'm pretty sure it's a mix of hot water and coffee with some milk. So if we do this, we can see that it actually automatically gave us a small little indentation. And this is great because you can easily tell that, okay, I have a term called cappuccino, and I can tell that this whole sentence is going to describe my term, which is milk. And you can see that, okay, our milk has not gotten there like a GT. Okay. Okay, awesome. So I don't think this is what actual cappuccino is, but you can sort of get a small idea of what our description list is all about. So we can do another term. Let's say we want to do, let's do a DT, our defining term. And let's say we want to know tiramisu. Okay, we all know it's a nice, sweet little dish that has coffee in it. So we can do DD because we want to do a small description for that term. A sweet dessert that I'm pretty sure it has some coffee and uses lady fingers, which is just like some sort of biscuit. And if we run that, we can see it did that same indentation again. And this is super useful, especially if you're doing your website and you just want everything to be nicely organized. This is a great way to incorporate description list into that thing.